Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this MCM model, MCM686S in color code 001. It's a black, gold, silver color frame. On the temples here we have a silver MCM logo. And here at the temple tip we have a gold MCM logo. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple. It has a gold MCM logo at the temple tip and a silver MCM logo. The lenses are a gray gradient color. The style of the frame is full rim square. Up here we have an MCM case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and the manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.